we are back on the new build today, back on the garage. We've got the scaffolder here. He's sending up the scaffold on the main build. We're gonna set all the trays out and get stuck in. So I'll go over the trays in a little while, but for now, I've got new boots, new haircut, new tape. Oh, I'm feeling good. Let's go Monday morning.
Sometimes you gotta pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, was king natural. I've been testing so much, all these restless nights.
The world's greatest phone camera.
That's it. And the world's worst bricklayer. What a combination. What a combination. We've finally set up all of the trays on the garage, which is a bit silly really, because I don't feel like you need this many trays on a garage, but we have done them. Really interesting YouTube comment saying about it'd be good to have a tray detail like they used to have a few years ago, where you just have a massive drop zone. You have a 100mm tray there, a 100mm tray on your block, and then your cavity just goes all the way down to pretty much your footing. That would make a lot more sense, and I think it would mitigate a lot of the damp problems we get in houses nowadays. Anyway, plan of attack, I'm going to build this corner up. Jake's now going to pull all of this down to like here, build an absolutely wham corner, and then I'm going to transfer over there, set up another corner. That will give me and Charlie a load of work to pull in tomorrow, and then I need to do some work on where the garage door is going. So there's got to be a lot going on today, but now we've got all the trays set, we can finally spread our wings and just really get some blocks laid. Yeah, honestly, like lay, do your thing, even if you're perping. Yeah. Like you've done everything you need to do. Yeah. Utilise that time. Yeah. Get that trowel out, boy. You don't mind if I say boy, do you? No.
Late night walks in the Lindbergh Park, and sometimes I kiss some girls even after dark, and I never had to shout.
Just make sure he starts somewhat bonded, yeah?
Like I did when I was young. All my memories are good though, but wouldn't change them if I could. No.
Really nice.
Big smiles and ridiculous laughter, I will fold that in and remember where I begin. While my next stood. Little Falls, you're a small town, honey. Rich in love, but not in money. Even if I change my tempo, not gonna let go of everything you meant to me.
I didn't get it as bad as you, but when I started,
Yeah.
like one of the guys would be like, before I'd even done anything, he'd go, "You're gonna go full on me now," and I'd be like, "Oh," and then because he says that, it makes you go shit.
Yeah, I know.
And so it's like, what's the point of you even saying it?
Yeah, I know. It's hard.
It's like me going to Jake now. Oh, you're gonna cut up, aren't you? It's like, even though he probably wouldn't have, because I said that.
Yeah,
he'll end up doing it.
It gets you off to a bad start, doesn't it?
Stupid, yeah.
People think screaming at someone's going to help the situation. Like, yeah, like even when I'm annoyed, yeah, I don't call names. I swear, yeah, and probably throw my impact driver around. But yeah, can't be bothered to like make someone feel like crap.
No.
It's just an older mentality.
Yeah.
There's something really satisfied about setting corners up with a string line.
Yeah. Feels like proper, like old.
Proper.
Yeah, it's proper. Yeah. I agree. That's a hand.
to do is start setting up another corner just behind me. Now, we've had both Jakes pulling through a couple of courses. Young Jake's been doing fantastic on the trowel, practicing spreading, practicing perping, and large Jake is just showing him how to get on. There's two Jakes, it's well hard. So I'm going to whip a big corner up here. While I'm doing that, Jake and Jake can start tailing out this corner, and also they can also start tailing out this corner. So ideally today, if we get all the trays at least covered and built in, man, tomorrow we'll have a right good day. So Jake and Jake are on it. Massive Jake and slightly less massive Jake are both on it, and I'm going to start whipping up this corner. So yeah, man.
Wish I could wear peace like this shirt on my back, then give it away whenever somebody asks. Every time I try, I
So we've just sent this corner up here. Jake has ran through the first course to catch the radon. Now we're setting out the other course to catch the wheat poles and the drop tray. And we've got Jake, who is inside the main house at the moment. He is setting up all of the trestles, because we've just had a load of trestles and scaffold boards dropped off. So he's going to get all of the middle walls trestled out with battens, trestles, and then loaded out with blocks. Flown by. Everyone loves a slap. Everyone loves a good slap. Stones in this. Risen all over. A few on this wall. Nothing terrible. What about yourself?
Yeah, the odd one. I managed to get out of it.
Nice. It's hard when you get like all these pigs and you try and break it up into smalls. Hopefully. Seemed a little bit low, that was all. My 160. Splendid. splendid, absolutely splendid. So we've not had a bad day. Set up 2 really big corners, plenty of stuff to run in now. Tomorrow then all we've really done is just sort out all of our tray details all the way up on this section of the garage here and the back side of the garage. It's a bit of a faffy one because what we've got to do, we've got to build the wall, either strike it as we lay, or what I've really enjoyed doing is just filling it after, and then at least all your joints are really proud. Then tomorrow we've got to take the face off and then go over it with this or a wire brush, but a wire brush is a little bit too aggressive and it takes it back way too far. So we kind of need to point this stone like 3 times, don't we? It's a ball ache, but it's something you can't really rush because it's a real nice finish effect. So it's just something that can't be rushed. So we've got to take our time, make sure it's right. Tomorrow, big push, pretty much garage up to scaffold height this side and the back, and probably down that other side, but for now that's where we're leaving it. So thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you tomorrow when we're probably back on the garage, or maybe we're doing some concreting on the big retaining wall, who knows.